What's up, everybody? It's Sullivan Vlogs again. We're back with a good one. Today I'm straight piping my car again. I know in the video before I told you guys that I had put my mufflers back on my car just to make it quiet around town, but I'm taking those back off. So y'all just let me know what you like better, my car with the mufflers or without. So I'm gonna do a before and an after and let you guys hear it. Catch of the day. What do y'all think about that new TA? It's the catch of the day. Challenger TA. I like that. Tell me what y'all think about that.
Shot with like 64 amps, talking to top about business again. He want a lot with new Bentleys again. I want some top from like two sets of twins. Put it twins, yeah, yeah. Hey, where your friends, yeah, yeah. Hold up, switch. Hold up. She won't in, yeah, yeah. Parliament, falling in bundles of flowers like Parliament. Never know, big dog like ours. I don't need them. Put a drop top with an eater. Two-seater. My AP, new freezer. I woke up thinking about bands. Hop over just to a check when I land. 2-4 in the pizza. I don't need it. Put a drop top with a eater. Two-seater. My AP, new freezer. I woke up thinking about bands. Hop over just to a check when I land.
Hey, I gotta end this video by saying I appreciate all my subscribers or anybody who's supporting me right now. We got a lot of great videos coming, even some real good car reviews. Y'all just stay tuned. And I want to end this video by saying please like, comment, please share my videos. I appreciate any support, but we're out.